Welcome to this brief demo of QMetry. In this demo, we will go ahead and go into test cases and how they're created within QMetry. Once clicking on the test cases icon in QMetry, you'll be brought to your test cases screen. Here you can view the test cases by name, what their objective is, along with some of the other fields such as component, creation date, modified date, current status, coverage status, and defects and associated test suites. You can also view your test cases in the tree on the left hand side where they're broken down by folders. In order to create a test case in this menu, you simply right click and add a folder to break down where you want the test case, and we will call it demo for our purposes, and I will hit save, followed by now right clicking that folder and adding a test case. Here you'll be brought to our test case user interface. From here you can go ahead and identify some of the main fields. The things that are currently mandatory are name and objective, which are highlighted, and you can go ahead and call them. We will use demo as well as demo test case. And you have your user defined fields here where you can identify fields that are pertinent to your organization, and you can add whatever information you'd like, whether it's a lookup list, string list, multi-selection list, or date field. You can also add your test case steps by simply clicking on add, and go further by typing away, similar to Excel, by simply putting in step 1, log in to the home page, expected outcome, login successful, and input data user ID equals user1. And now we can add another step by simply doing the same thing and typing away what you want to put. Log out, and no data. Hit save, and now your test case has been created within QMetry. You also have further defined fields which come out of the box with QMetry, such as the creation date, component, who the designer was, priority, whether it's a low, medium, or high test case, what type of test case, whether it's regression or manual or automated, and the execution time. You can also, as I mentioned earlier, add your own user-defined fields if there's any other information you would like to gather. None of these fields are made mandatory, however you can make them mandatory upon your requirements. And that is how simple it is to create a test case within QMetry.